case you guys haven't noticed, the market does seem to be shifting pretty crazy. The old direct response salesy VSLs really don't seem to be working as well anymore. I noticed that with my own VSLs. They started kind of performing pretty bad. And so I've been searching, what is the new wave? Because there's people making tons of money with VSLs. What is the new wave of VSLs, the new things that are working? And I came across what's called an authentic VSL. And I just launched one for myself yesterday. And so far, in the past 24 hours, we've done 8.3K in new MRR on our low ticket school with only 1,400 visits. My mom gets more visits on her Facebook page than that. That is crazy. And so the conversion rate is literally 8 point something right now, which is nuts. And I want to show you guys kind of how I did it and just give you some sauce, hopefully. So we're going to cover how I copy hacked the best authentic VSL I've ever seen, how I wrote mine in literally like a day or two, and then the exact ChatGPT script I use to review and juicify my copy nowadays. And then I got some bonus tips that made this VSL really print. So let's get right into it. So let's start with how I copy hacked the best authentic VSL I have seen so far of this new wave of VSLs. And this VSL is by Nick. Nick is an absolute beast. He has a $100 84 school, and he's crushing it. He's got a 12-minute VSL. It's very authentic, and so that's the person I was like, you know what? I'm just going to copy. He's selling a similar price tag, similar thing, so let's just see what he's doing, and let's just run it up. So that's exactly what I did. So what I do, no matter what copy I'm stealing or hacking, is I will get ChatGPT or get a transcriber to write it out perfectly in a Google Doc. I'll then put that Google Doc into Miro, and I'll go through each section and ask myself, what is each section doing? What is the point of each section of this copy? Then the second step, very simple, is I want to turn it into an outline. So you can see on Nick's VSL that is crushing and doing 300K a month, he just simply asks, what is his school there for? What is the simple, clear outline plus guarantee? Testimonials. He goes over the main mechanism, and then why is it different? Then he has a credibility section. Who is he? What is the cred? Like, why is he someone you should listen to for this thing? Then there's a process section. Basically, like, what are the 3 problems that are standing in your way from getting that simple outcome? We'll touch more on that in a second. So yeah, that's really all I did was just copy exactly what his outline was doing, then made my own outline. So now let's go into how I actually wrote this. And by the way, if you guys want this Miro board, I know a lot of you guys have been asking for these Miro boards. You can DM me VSL1 on Instagram at kj.rainey. And I don't have a setter. I'm not going to try to sell you a bunch of crap. I just want followers, to be completely transparent. I love the number that goes up. So if you want to follow me, I'll give this to you and I won't harass you, I promise. So yeah, how I wrote my new authentic 20K a month VSL in one day. It really is like a day and a half, but who's counting? Step 1, I used a stolen outline. So I went through and I tightened up the outline to figure out how do I want to, answer each question. So I literally stole this directly from Nick, guys. Like, if you want to write good copy, find what's working in a similar niche to you, a similar price point, similar product, and just rip it. That's simple. So I did that. You can see here, I'm just going through, putting each section, what do I need to write? And then I wrote it out full script. So let's go ahead and take a look at this full script. Copywriting School VSL number 1. So I wrote it out line by line, word for word. So you can go through here. You can see all of this. Now, I scrapped all of it. So 11 pages of copy I wrote, and I realized that it just kind of sucks. It doesn't sound like me. It didn't sound authentic. But I realized this was a crucial step in getting to that final version that is crushing right now as we speak. So if you go over here, we've got this section. Now what I want to do is, it's not me, but we're getting closer. So by writing this out, I got to really understand, get a rough draft of what I'm selling, who I'm talking to, and just to overall better understand like the VSL as a whole. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to toss this sucker in ChatGPT. Yes, great copywriters do use ChatGPT, but I'll show you the way that we use it is very different from someone who's just like, oh, write me VSL. So let's do that. I'm going to use my ChatGPT review bot that I have in Copy School, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how we trained it. So all you got to do is feed it the Copywriting 101 PDFs. So if you guys have not seen the free course, it's literally like shamelessly the best copywriting course on YouTube. The comments confirm that. Check it out. But in that course, I gave away like 10 PDFs. It's literally like a 300-page book worth of copywriting material. I just fed that to ChatGPT. My buddy Ben is great with it. He fed ChatGPT all these principles, and then he just made a simple little prompt to just ask it which of those principles could you do better, and then ask it for more critique. So I'll show you guys a demo. Actually, we'll go in Copy School to jug this real quick out of the AI copywriting one. So yeah, click here for the AI copy review bot. Like I said, that's how you program it. It's so simple. But I'm gonna tell it, can you review some copy? And so I'm just going to spit this in here. So what this bot is gonna do is it's gonna tell me what's good, what could be better, and why it's better, and then how to improve it. So I'm just gonna go boop, there we go. And we will see what Mr. Robot KJ comes up with. So here we go. It's giving me some great ideas about what's actually good with it. And to be honest, guys, I love when people tell me what's good about my stuff. So even when it's a robot, I still feel good about that. Here we go. We have some really good things here that could be better. So it's a little long and repetitive. It lacks emotional depth. The emotional gap isn't maximized, and no curiosity-driven hook. Risk of too good to be true. Pretty cool. Here's some actionable steps to literally make it better. And you can ask it to do more. You can ask it to give you more details on a certain aspect. And I wouldn't go directly into like copying what it says to do here, but these bold parts are usually really good. So I agree that this thing is a lot more logic based. And instead we want it to have some emotions because this is for like a beginner's VSL. So let's go back through this real quick. So from that, I took the notes from ChatGPT. And you can ask it to review it multiple times, like I said. And now I'm going to do a rough draft and slides. So this is like game changing for making an authentic VSL that sells extremely well, but doesn't feel like you're selling. So I took that outline, I took that full thing, I used ChatGPT notes to kind of change it a bit, and then I put the questions into the outline. And I decided, you know what, let's just go through and make slides. And the key of slides is that it forces you to follow the outline, but you don't have to say it word for word. And if you guys want to watch this, by the way, like before I'm about to tell you all the secrets, but if you want to see if you can catch it beforehand, go to the link in my description and watch the VSL. So you can watch the full VSL right here. And I want you to break it down for yourself and then come back and see if you caught what I'm about to tell you all the secrets were. So let's do it. Let me get a sip of Big Day real quick. That's good. Please sponsor me, Iman. All right, so the first thing is, what is Copy School? Now, the idea here is I want to answer every question in my audience's head without even having to like talk about it. I just want to answer every question back to back to back. So as soon as my copy answers one question, I want to immediately answer the next question that pops up. So let's see how we did it. First off, what is Copy School? And I tell them it's a simple step-by-step 6-week program to get you from zero to $1,000 or $3,000 with copywriting. Once again, I'm not selling a course, I'm selling a transformation. So the first thing I do is I simply tell them the exact transformation that they're going to receive by following this school. Cool. Best part is, and then I do risk reversal. So I hit them with a guarantee immediately. So simple, clear outcome, and then guarantee. So you get a paying client or 100% refund, plus all the stuff you learned if you just follow the simple roadmap. And then how is that possible? Because that's the next question, right? So they say, okay, what is it? That sounds dope, but how does that work? How is it even possible? And then I tell them, boom, testimonials. So here I just rapid fire some testimonials. This is exactly what Nick did, so I'm just going to copy him because it worked for him. Next, we do a story. And the way that I've done these pictures is very intentional. It's a flow chart from left to right. So I'm getting them to feel the story. Used to, I would just do like one picture per slide, and I would just do that. But nowadays, I'm like, wow, people love to look at stuff. So let me pop up the pictures in order, showing the story. So here you can see me. It's my background. Here I go for another one. I'm telling them how I'm literally just like you guys because, I mean, I am. I struggled for years. I tried all kinds of different stuff and ended up miserable and ready to quit. And then I give them some proof. This is really just like I just wanted to put this in here because it's a cool video. Next, I'm literally going to show them what changed everything. What is the mechanism? What is the opportunity? So we have this outcome they want, but I want to show them why copywriting is so valuable because I believe it is the most valuable skill you can possibly learn. Seriously. It's like copywriting and then speaking for me. Those are the top two. And so I need to explain to them literally how I came to realize that it is the most valuable skill. And so I have two simple things, right? Learn a skill, not a business model. Here I'm throwing rocks at what everybody else does, which is like give you a crappy business model and you have no skills. And then it need to be able to valuable and scalable. And then I'm like, well, I found it. Shout out to Dan Coe and Hormozy. See how these slides keep me on track, but I'm still able to just be my authentic self if I'm recording it. And then copywriting, writing words that sell stuff. So now they see that, man, my life sucked before copywriting, because it did, legit. And then I found copywriting, and now what changed? So I talk about how copywriting is insane, my game plan, and then for the first time it actually worked. And then I give them another kind of flow chart of I got good, I got paid to sell stuff, I hit 10K a month, then I sold my own stuff. Then I talk about the next question. So this is specific to me, but I knew that you guys were probably wondering, how is Copy School different from Copy Elite? So that's the exact question I wanted to answer next. The problem with Copy Elite is that it's for people that want to do 10K per month. But that's complex. That requires a lot of work, and it's not great for beginners. And I realized that I really needed to give someone something that they could get to 1K a month with. So instead of going from 0 to 10K a month with Copy Elite, I should give someone a $100 thing where they can get to 1K per month and then join Copy Elite. So it keeps Copy Elite to be super like serious, crazy entrepreneurs who are crushing it. And then the 0 to 1K a month is more affordable, the Copy School for everyone else. So now I just kind of say, what if we took what was in Copy Elite, made it simple, made it easier, added more stuff, and then sold it for 90% off. So here's kind of like a value stack. And that's when Copy School was born. And so now I'm explaining like, why did I create copy school? What's the purpose behind it? And then here's where we actually answer the question of saying copy school is from 0 to 1K, copy lead is from 1K to 10K. So now I'm kind of separating them instead of it just being one thing where the beginners have to pay 4K. Instead, you can now pay 100 to get to that 1K a month and then join copy lead if you want to. Then I do some more testimonials. This is probably the most important part of the VSL. This is what makes an authentic VSL so insane. And I'll show you guys my secret here in a second. But I want to give them a process. So what we do is we give them the simple, clear outcome. And then we want to explain how you're going to get there. And if you show them how it's literally so easy to get this outcome, not by using these big fancy words, by pushing these crazy emotions, just by showing them the simple, clear roadmap, it's so powerful, so believable. 6-week plan, simple daily steps. Then I do a key. So basically, I ask myself, if I'm going to tell you you can make 1K a month with copywriting, what are the 3 biggest reasons why you're going to tell me you can't? And the first is you don't know how to write. So I created a key to solve that, which is the Copy School AI bot, this is all true, by the way. Notice how it doesn't sound like copy speak. It just sounds like we made something cool, because we did. Key number 2, you're probably thinking of outreach. So you're like, okay, well, now if I can write copy, I don't know how to get clients. So I then made a slide for that. Basically solved that problem for you. And then key number 3 is, okay, when I get clients, now what? Like, how am I supposed to get my copy to be better? How am I going to get them results? And key number 3 is all about addressing that problem. So now you see why the guarantee works. The next logical question is like, well, how much work is that going to be for me to actually do the 6-week roadmap? And I'm like, well, 1.5 to 2 hours a day. This is just being honest. Because I honestly don't want people who aren't going to put that work in. Because if you're not going to put in 2 hours a day on for your future as an entrepreneur, you probably shouldn't go into entrepreneurship, just being straight up. Like, it takes a lot of work, takes a lot of effort. And 2 hours a day is really nothing to make this sucker work and to change your life forever. So pretty cool. But I also explained how Copy School is for beginners. It's the whole reason we built it, is for beginners to afford a $100 thing and to crush it. And yeah, then I like to be honest after this, because, it sounds really cool up to this point, and it is cool, but I do want to tell people that, you can totally do it on your own. It's just going to take longer. So really you're paying to not have to go through all that struggle that we did to actually figure this stuff out and to make these AI bots. The next is what happens when I join. So what I want to do is I just want to give them safety in the future when they do join. So it's like, what happens exactly when you join? Then I just 1, 2, 3. How do I join? So simple, clear CTA. Now we'll talk about this in a second. This slide is the most powerful slide probably of the whole thing, and we'll go over that. But that is it, guys. That is literally like the simple breakdown. Then step 5 is to edit the final slides and recording. So if you look on a Copy School, you will see that I got Caleb to edit these slides to be more professional. Now, there's a cool thing about that. I can read the raw slides and have notes on there, and they won't show up on the final VSL. And you don't have to have a crazy editor for this, by the way. You can do this by literally just going back and putting your slides in the editor program without the notes on them. Super simple, but pretty cool hack. Let's go for these ninja tips. We got 6 ninja tips here, starting with number 1. This is so key. Dude, I learned this recently the past couple months, and it's changed the way I write all copy. Every piece of copy is insane after learning this. So the first thing is to nail the 1-slide offer first, and then use it for your process section. There's a book called 1-Slide Offer. It is insane. I highly recommend you grab it and read it. But what that does is it's going to make your offer so believable. No matter what copy you're writing, I always use the 1-Slide Offer. It's just so good. Number 2 is simple drawings with faces, pictures, and flowcharts. I'm actually reading this book. My camera's on under it, so I can't take it out. But it's called Draw to Win by Dan Rome. And it talks about how to engage someone's mental, you have to just use simple drawings. And people love faces, they love looking at things, and they love to see how things like flowcharts, stories, things going left or right, how things work. So that was a great one for me in this VSL. Tip number 3, match the music with the feel of each section of the story. So in the sad part of the VSL, when life is rough, it has a sad undertone music. And Caleb spent a lot of time thinking about what song should we use at each point, and it really, really adds to the VSL. It's so cool. Tip number 4, real urgency and scarcity. And if you don't know how to use urgency and scarcity perfectly, it's literally in the free course. It's like module number 7, I think. I highly recommend you check that out. And here's how we did it. It's so sick. If you look at these slides, you can kind of see this is the 1-slide offer, but in slide version. It's so cool. So if you're watching this at the time released, it's still live. So those of you who are interested in this school, we did $97 a month for the first 48 hours. Just to reward you guys who are OGs, who've been here for forever, who wanted to join CopyLead, but it was just too out of your price range. We want to reward you guys by making this literally under $100, and only for 48 hours, and then it's gone forever. We're going to be up to 148, and then after that, after the next 100 people or 50 people join, going up to 184. So this is real urgency, real scarcity, and here's what we did the CTA like. We explained, logically, why we're doing this. It's because we want it to remain valuable for everyone. If there's 1,000 people in here, it's hard for us to give you the support that you need. So we have to increase the price so that 1,000 people don't join. Also, it keeps it for the most serious people like only, and you're rewarded for taking action early by betting on yourself and making it happen. I'm telling you guys, when you do all the work, but then you don't put urgency and scarcity, real urgency and scarcity, not just fake like crap, but like a real reason why they need to do this now to better themselves, you're missing out. You're missing out on so much. It's so powerful and it helps. Think about whenever you have homework to turn in or you have a test. Why do you study at the last second? Why do you procrastinate until the very last moment? It's because that's when you actually have urgency and scarcity. And that's the same with selling one of great products. You need to give them a reason to buy now. So very important. Tip number 5, like I said earlier, this is a huge key for me. Answer each question in your audience's head right after the other. So once that question has been answered for them, it's like, what is Copy School? Why is it different from Copy Lead? Will this work for me? As soon as that's answered, immediately start solving the next question, the next logical question. And tip number 6, if it doesn't sound like you're speaking to a friend, you're cooked. This is so important. Luke is laughing over there. But we learned this recently, man. Marketing speak is dying. Using all these big, breakthrough, brand new, like all this stuff is just not hitting anymore because it feels so fake. But if you're talking through your VSL, if you're writing VSLs like you're writing to a friend, you can even put that in ChatGPT. Be like, hey, here's this VSL I wrote. Can you make it sound like I'm talking to a friend? And keep iterating on it. It's going to be so, so powerful. So yeah, if you guys want this mural board, DM me VSL1 on Instagram. Like I said, I'm not going to spam you. I don't have a setter. It's actually me in my DMs. I just want followers, to be straight up, bro. I want 10K followers so bad. It's been a dream of mine since I was a kid. But anyways, thanks for watching. I love you guys. And more videos on the way. We're going back to raw value, fun videos, just showing you guys what I'm doing, what I'm learning, because I want to be the best copywriter that's living. That is my goal. And I'm going to show you guys what I learned on the way. So, yeah, be on the lookout for more soon. And if you're interested in joining Copy School, we got like 24 hours at the time of this video before it raises the price. So check that out. Urgency, scarcity. Anyways, love you guys. See y'all later.